The train is never early, but sometimes late. So we all good. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nico, and I'm back with another video. Alright, first off, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, go back and check out some of my older videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright, we're gonna get this video popping, y'all. Let's go. What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So today we are heading to LA. It's going to be like a 6-hour ride on the train, but it should be very exciting. It's one of those Instagram places that everybody like to post. But first, we're going to get something to eat with our friend Sharonda. And yeah, and then we're going to head to the train station. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we're about to have traditional Sri Lankan breakfast. This what people normally eat for breakfast here, right? Okay, yeah. All right, let's see what they got. It's a lot of things, a lot of choices. The sweet thing, it's like Indian food right here. Yeah. Soya dosa, rice string hoppers. Okay. You have something with like a little bit meat inside. Yeah. Some of this stuff we tried in India before.
Like
let's see. What would you like? What would you like to eat?
Maybe like that one and this one.
Okay.
The jackfruit.
Okay. Try jackfruit.
Yeah, I want to try jackfruit.
Okay. Oh, they got samba. I want to try the sweet one. I want to try the sweet one. Yeah, I want to try that one. Yeah.
to get the slip.
Oh, okay. Oh, they have the hoppers too. They have the hoppers. Egg hoppers.
Not egg. You can plain hoppers. You can buy. We will go on the way. We can get the. Yes, we can get it on the way.
No, not too much food. Just a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Okay. What's this right here? This one. Chickpeas. It's cold?
No,
warm?
Boiled for
we call it chickpeas.
Yeah.
Chickpeas. Okay. This is meat?
It's a pickle, right?
Chicken? Beef?
Pickle.
Beef?
Curry.
Beef curry. Okay.
There is no meat food in here.
No meat, okay.
No
okay, just curry.
Yeah.
I think I want to try this one.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Grand.
All right, y'all. So we're going to get our food, and now we head to the train. We was worried about the time. He was like, oh, don't worry. The train is never early, but sometimes late. So we all good. All right, y'all. So we just made it to the train station. It was right around the corner, not too far away. And yeah, so now we just got to wait on the train. The train leaves in about 10 to 15 minutes. So just going to kick it out here with Saranga, my bad. We're going to kick it out here with Saranga and wait for the train. We forgot to get water at the other place, so they got this little restaurant type thing by the train station. We'll get something to drink over here. Let's see. Okay. Hello. Which one do you?
Come inside.
Oh, can come inside? Okay, we can come inside. Okay. Excuse me. Hello. Okay. Water, juice.
Other side.
What's the green? What's the green bottle?
This?
Yeah, what's that? Let's see. Aloe vera. Okay.
You want it?
No, let me get orange juice. Orange juice. You want water? Water? Yeah, that's good. Okay. You want something else? We got lemonade over there. You want? Okay.
Eat something?
Oh, we got food already.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Train has arrived. Something like that.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we are on our way. Surprisingly, the train isn't as packed as I thought it would be, but it's a lot of tourists on here, more than locals. We chose to sit in the first class area, but from what I'm told, if you want to hang out the windows and do all that stuff like you see on Instagram and TikTok and all that, you have to go to like the second class. So at some point we might walk up to the front and so we can get some good views. Train ride from Kandy to LA is a world-famous journey through the heart of the island's scenic landscapes. As the train winds its way through the lush green hills and tea plantations, passengers are treated to stunning views of misty mountains, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant local villages. As I mentioned, the ride is 6 hours long. The slow-paced ride allows travelers to get those iconic photos leaning out of the moving train. I know y'all seen those on Instagram. This journey is not just a mode of transportation, but a memorable adventure that showcases the stunning beauty of Sri Lanka's countryside. Alright y'all, so the train stopped at a train station, but this is the best time to use the bathroom because the train moves a lot. Oh, sorry. Alright, and this is how the bathroom look. I'm a pretty big dude, so I can fit in here. I'm pretty sure most of y'all can fit in here too. Second longest tunnel in Sri Lanka. Alright y'all, so we're about 5 hours until the drive, and I'm tired. We still got about 2 hours to go. How you feeling? She tired too? Oh no, so when we get there, I'm pretty sure we ain't gonna be doing too much in that. But we got a couple more hours to go. I'm about to just cruise it on through. I hope y'all are enjoying the views as much as I am, and just enjoying this experience with me. This is the highest point in Sri Lanka. Alright guys, so we made it to Ella, and that drive was really worth it. You know? Alright y'all, so we're about to go ahead and catch us a tuk-tuk ride and head to our villa. And yeah, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and be looking out for the next one. Peace.